Karnataka. We're here today with the team from Osmosis West. They're doing some phenomenal work. We're delighted to have them. Let's go ahead and hear from the team a little bit more on y'all's experience and background. Sushant, you want to kick things off?
Yeah, sure. So our team name is Team Malbros. We are actually a hackathon team in which we made our project Osmosis. So basically, our problem statement was given as covering anonymity and privacy using zero knowledge in blockchain. So we thought of instead of making a project, what if we give a service that can be integrated in various domains? Therefore, we came up with the service of Osmosis. So Osmosis is basically whitelisting as a service in which you can create events or resources through which you need to give private access to a certain individuals while ensuring that their privacy and anonymity is maintained. So in our case, we tried to integrate it in using events. So in our website, you can create events using either your wallet address. And now, since wallet address may not be present at anywhere in India, so we can also use anything that can uniquely identify user. Let's say their Aadhaar card, their PAN card, or any other credential like the social security number, which can uniquely identify them. Moving ahead, you can also create events using QR code. If you are going to concerts where a QR recognition is used as an entry, then you can use that also. So I think we can deep dive more into our project while showcasing it. So Darius, can you just showcase the project?
Sure. And before we dive in deeper, want to hear a little bit more about y'all's backgrounds and expertise. So Sujal, you want to tell us a little more about yourself?
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sujal Tekwani. As blockchain technologies new, while building this project, I learned new technologies like Merkle tree and like our project itself, whitelisting as a service. We have implemented zero knowledge circuits, and it was very great experience learning while building up this project.
Excellent. Yeah, definitely some technologies at the forefront there. Daryash, love to hear from you.
Yeah, so my background is actually a lot more focused on Web3 from my previous projects or previous experiences. Uh, s- so uh, I've, uh, sorry, one second. I think my laptop is, one second.
Okay, no worries. Let's go back to Sushant. So let's dig into the problem statement a little bit more. What specifically does Osmosis WAS solve for?
Let's say you want to go to an event where you want to ensure that your anonymity or privacy is maintained while ensuring that you have given the authorized access to go to an event. Let's say you're going to a music concert. Now, going there, showing your identity that you are above 18 years of age and you are able to attend the event. Also, that you have bought the ticket and this is the transaction of the ticket that you are given access. Instead of all that thing, you need not worry about anything. Just show the QR code will basically consist of your private input, which is your hash token and your Merkle root tree. Now, what happens is on the admin side, the admin will have its own Merkle tree. Now, when you will scan the QR code, the Merkle tree generated from your inputs, the root of the both trees present at your end and the admin's end will be compared. If they match, it means that your hash is present in the Merkle tree, which indirectly gives you the access to the event. So we have this complicated process is simplified into a simple uh, thing on the user's end. Backend wise, everything is complicated and it's not required by the user end also.
Very cool. Sujal, are you able to share the screen?
Actually, Darius is sharing the screen. The project is in our PC, in his PC.
Yeah, one second, just give me a second.
Sure. Yeah, if somebody else wants to share, that's really cool. We'd love to hear from Rushab as well. Tell us a little bit more about yourself and your background.
I'm just a classmate of all of my teammates here. I'm also a graduate student in the infotech department in West.
Awesome. Super cool. So yeah, the screen was sharing for just a second and then I went off. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, why don't you guys go ahead, walk us around, show us how things
Yeah,
work.
so yeah, so
Yeah,
let
there
me
is,
just
you
connect
can
my
continue.
wallet. Yeah,
Yep, all good.
okay, so just a second, I will just connect my wallet. So,
Yeah, so
so
for the
at
very
first,
first
I will
time when the
just
website loads, the backend is running up, so it will take some time for the first time. Once it's up, you will get instant events.
yeah. So in the meanwhile, this is the landing page. So as you can see, it is whitelisted as a service. So as Sushant explained earlier, we are providing a service which can be implemented in your personal platform or anywhere you want. So here you can browse for various events. Uh, so okay, firstly let's go to creating an event. So here you can create an event with your wallet. So let's go ahead here and uh,
So basically, what we are doing is when creating an event, we are uploading Cloudinary so that all the data is going onto the cloud and not being stored on a local database. So that in terms of scalability aspect, we can scale our project while thinking a whole cloud-based approach. Below that, once the image has been uploaded, what we have the option is of which type of event do we want to create. Do we want to create an event that is QR based, or do we want to create in which you have an unique ID through which you can be identified? So let's for now take the event based upon your QR code. So what will
so
happen
can you
is
just upload it?
whenever
So I will
uh,
just create. Okay,
Oh,
so it's created now,
right.
and let's go back then. Okay, so now we will browse that particular event. So here you can see project live. I will just register with my email. At the time of registration, you have to put in your email address where you will get the QR code once you have been approved. So let's go ahead and approve myself. Sorry.
Sure. And was curious from a technical standpoint, are y'all using a specific API in order to get that ZK?
No, so we have implemented circuits to generate the zero knowledge proof. So everything is built by our own team. There is no third party API as such.
Okay, very nice.
so
So it will
basically
take some
when
time
the
to generate the
admin
proof.
approves, it will basically generate the hash and the zero knowledge basic knowledge that I explained earlier of Merkle truths. All that thing will happen and it will provide you a nullifier. Now what does nullifier do is it's used to basically prevent replay attacks. Let us suppose you are taking that QR code and again going to another event. Now when you scan it, it will check whether nullifier is present in the database or not. If it is present, meaning that you are again scanning the code, then it will not allow the user to go into that event. So in terms of a security aspect also, we thought that this could be implemented and we implemented it so that, replay attacks cannot be done.
Very cool. Yeah, love the tech behind this. Super cool. Um, nice. And can you show us the
So
process too
it
of
will
someone
take.
who wants to attend an event?
Sorry,
What would
sorry.
that look like on the other side around?
Yeah, so once the QR base this has been approved, the user will get a mail. We will show you the mail. It will consist of the QR code. We just need to scan it at the event premises.
Okay, very cool. And was curious, what types of events do you foresee this being, most relevant for? Like, what specific use cases have you seen, or do you think would be the most interesting?
I think majorly high-tech industries where they want to, preserve anonymity of their employees or users, and music concerts or high-tech events of the companies. In case of wallet addresses, it can be integrated in various domains where just the user want to attend any RSP, any new event. Let us suppose you are going to any meet. Now, instead of revealing your identity, your email address or phone number, you can just RSVP to our website. And while logging in, you can use your own wallet address to sign in and you can attend the event.
Right. Very cool. And I think what's fascinating as well is it's not just for people who are anonymous, right? I think everybody gets value out of having additional privacy when they're,
Yeah,
especially when they're,
Yeah,
a
exactly.
lot of times I think you see on, Eventbrite, Luma, they're taking a lot of your information, which is not cool.
yeah. Another thing also that we thought about is that you don't need to be tech savvy to use this. Here we are using MetaMask wallet because we wanted to build it in 24 hours. Moving ahead, we can integrate it using any unique ID that enables you to identify yourself, like your say social security number, which everyone has, so that everyone as a normal user can also use this website.
Very cool.
So there is
So
continue.
Cool. Yeah.
yeah,
Anything else on
so
the
as you can
platform you want to
see,
show us? Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
okay. So as you can see, I have been approved here. So I will receive a mail with a QR code, which I can then scan at the event entrance, and then that would prove that that would just prove that I've been approved, and it won't reveal who exactly I am to the system or to the person. So that is our project.
Excellent. Very cool. Let's talk a little bit more about the product roadmap. Where are y'all looking to take this now that the hackathon's finished?
Okay, so as we said earlier, we are it's a service sort of thing. So the first thing we want to do is make a proper SDK or proper API out of this, which they can integrate into their platforms. Obviously, they can use our platform as well, Osmosis. But for other companies, if they want to integrate this service in their own platform, we want to make sure that it's as easy for them.
Okay, excellent. And let's chat a little bit more about some of the potential token utility and tokenomics. What do you guys foresee for that?
Yeah, so for our project, the tokenomics aren't as much important because it's like we have kept it as low tech savvy as possible. So again, you don't for the end users, you don't specifically need crypto MetaMask wallet to use this project.
Mhm. Okay, cool. Anything else you guys wanted to highlight in the platform or about the potential of this project?
Yeah, I think there is. You can show the mail, I guess.
Yeah, one second.
While that is happening, I just wanted to talk like in case of QR code, you can just scan the QR code and prove the identity. But let's say you're using a wallet-based event. So in case of wallet-based event, how do you wait? You can see the QR code has come onto the screen.
Hmm.
Yeah. So as I was saying,
QR code.
in
Say
case
okay.
of
Say you're attending an event. That you show the QR code. Will the person who's scanning the badge know your identity? Will anybody behind the
no,
No,
event
no,
no.
know
no
your
one
identity?
will know. Even our whole own system would know who exactly it is. We will just know that this person has been approved, but their actual identity won't be revealed anywhere.
Yeah, that's super fascinating. I really haven't seen a fully ZK privacy-proof event site, so it's really fascinating. Cool concept.
Thanks.
Okay. So there is while I'm explaining the concept, can you create a wallet-based event?
Yeah, one second.
Yeah. So as I was saying, in case of a wallet-based event, let us suppose how do you verify that you have entered the event? So for that, what we have done is we have provided a feature called on-chain verification. That means that once the user has been approved, he can go to the user send and click on on-chain event. What that does is that inside the Merkle root tree of the admin, we will check whether that hash is present or not. In case of QR code, that the happens automatically. In case of wallet, we have to do it manually. So the user can go into the event, click on on-chain verification, due to which we can the admin at that event can confirm that yes, he has the access to the event and he can continue to go to that event. So yeah, I will show you the demo once the event has been created. Yeah, so as you can see, we created an event using wallet address. Now from the user end, we will register to that event. In case of a wallet, we don't need to provide any email address. It will use the
But
login
just
email address only.
yes, it will use this wallet which has already been collected. So
Very cool. And I was just kind of curious too. Did you all like come across any competitors or anybody else doing these like super secure type of events?
So one of the benefits of this project is that I don't think I have seen any competitors. So this is a very unique idea, which was liked by judges also during the hackathon. Another thing that I would like to mention is that along with the approval from admin side, we have also revoke and reject option. So let's say we have by mistake approved it, or do we want to revoke the access in between? We also have those options. Since blockchain uses Merkle tree, any changes in the hash will generate a new chain of blockchain and will use the longest one. So the person having the access will be revoked and he won't be able to access it. Yeah. So Dharesh, you can continue.
Yeah.
So here you can see that my wallet has already been approved. So I will just verify it on chain as well.
Awesome. And one thing I envision too is like there's so many niche communities out there that actually do care about their privacy. Of course, maybe many of these privacy tools we're still I think in the early phase of privacy, but as people start to realize more and more, I think there's massive opportunity for something like this.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, one second. Okay, so my so it will just so okay, my wallet has been verified on chain as well.
Awesome. Very cool. Cool. Well, where can we find out more information about you all and about Osmosis?
So you
Uh,
can check out our Twitter page, which has all the details of our project.
Mm-hmm.
Also, this project is deployed, so you can visit this website and test it out yourself. We'll be leaving our Telegram initials, everything in the group, so you can contact Nirmal and other people to connect with us.
Awesome. Cool. Anything else you guys want to highlight?
Anything other you guys you want to add?
No, I think I done from my side.
Amazing. Well, excellent work, guys. I truly, really like the project. So great work. And yeah, privacy at the forefront. We're all about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.